Today I have a simple seafood recipe that's absolutely delicious. Alright, we're gonna jump right in, and I want to take this time to thank you for joining me once again. You could have been anywhere else, but you're here right now. So, as you can see, I put the raw shrimp into some boiling water, and I had the ice water on top. As you can see, I'm ready for it. As soon as I take it out, I remove the boiling pan and I dump the shrimp into the ice cold water to cool it off. Set that aside and let's cut up our vegetables. And once you cut up those vegetables, you're gonna cut up the shrimp and jalapeno because you know it's gonna be spicy. Now, the first time I actually had ceviche was from my friend Jaime, who brought it to one of my barbecues one time, and wow, it was so good. It was so good that I had to ask him for the recipe and how he made it. So this recipe is named after him, Jaime's Spicy Ceviche. Alright, let's get back to it. So as you can see, we're combining our vegetables right here. And pretty soon we're gonna add our jalapenos and our cut up shrimp. Man, it looks good already. I'm gonna add some crab, some real crab. You can use imitation crab if you like. And then our lemon and lime juice that we squeezed out. Alright, gonna give it a good mix. So once all those ingredients are mixed, we're gonna add our sriracha mayo. This adds creaminess and a little bit more spice to it. It's absolutely delicious. Don't be scared of that spice. If you can't handle the spice, you can use regular mayo and you can omit the jalapenos. Now those chips right there, you have to try them. They're coconut chips and they go so good with this Jaime spicy ceviche recipe. Now I loaded up on the ceviche because I'm the type of guy that likes to fill up my chip with it, you know, salsa and ceviche or whatever the dip it is. I cover it, so I loaded up on that. And there's our lime, and there you have it. Thank you once again for joining me. I got much more content. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good one.